Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, Honorable Fluk and my respected lecturer, Prof. Dr. Haji Nafat Dairan Ambung. Today, I'm Dava Nirwana Wahyudi, glad to present my research proposal entitled The Effectiveness of English Pop Song as a Media to Improve Student Pronunciation at SMP ITS Tapina Tunajah. So, the panel one is Global English Issue, a research background. Let us begin with the research background. The panel one. As we know, English is an international language crucial for global communication, education, and technology. However, in reality, many Indonesian students still face significant difficulties when it comes to pronunciation. So, at the panel 2 is student pronunciation problems. This happens because English pronunciation is structurally and phonetically different from the Indonesian language, which often confuse the student. The impact is student lack confidence, feel anxious, and the exciting learning media used in class is often too monotone. So at the panel 3 is strategic role and engaging media. To break this barrier, teacher urgently need enjoyable and effective media. This is where English pop songs come into play. They are familiar, engaging, and highly effective in building positive low-action learning atmosphere for teenagers. So at the panel 4 and 5, problem solving and scope formulation. Moving on the core problem of the study, at the panel 4, problem identification. From my observation, I identified that students struggle heavily with foreign sounds, stress, and intonation. Additionally, pop songs are utilized as strategic learning tools in the school. At the panel 5 is research scope formulation. Therefore, I limit the scope of this research strictly to student pronunciation aspect, specifically when stress, intonation, and clarity based on my research question are formulated of 3 points. How are English pop songs used in the classroom? And second is how effective are they improving student pronunciation? And the third is what are student response to this method? So at the panel 6 and 7 is theoretical and urgency. Next, I will briefly explain the theoretical foundation. At the panel 6 theoretical framework, this study is backed by solid language acquisition theories. We look into how authentic material like song improve both segmental features such as a vowel, consonant, and diphthongs, and suprasegmental features like stress, intonation, and linking a sound simultaneously. At the panel 7 is research urgency. The core urgency of this research lies in the current gap, the absolute lack of effective pronunciation media in the field, which result in low student speaking conference. We want to shift the main concept to utilizing pop song systematically for pronunciation mastery. So, at the panel 8, method, innovation, and cognitions. Now let's look at the innovation on opportunity and research methodology. For the approach, demonstrate the effectively, accurately, I'm applying a pre-experimental qualitative method using one group retest and post-test design. And the data analysis data will be gathered via pronunciation test both before the treatment retest and after the best treatment or post-test. For the research benefits, theoretically, this study enrich English pedagogy reference. Practically, it helps students lower their anxiety, provide teacher with a creative, replicable alternative media. So, to wrap up, the core mission of my proposal is that English pop songs are not just for entertainment. They are a highly effective, enjoyable, and naturally impactful medium to boost student pronunciation skill. This project is strongly supported by previous literature from prominent researchers like Anjani, Fadila Research, and many more exercises. Thank you very much for your time and attention. I'm looking forward to feedback question to improve this research proposal. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.